Let us do what we know how to do best. All right, we want to prepare that delicious, yummy noodles that you cannot even imagine. All right, you have seen the ingredients. We have sliced our carrots. This is our green pepper. This is our bell pepper. This is our onions. All right. After making this Indomie, trust me, you will not try any other pattern of Indomie except this. Yes, we have sliced our tomato, fresh tomato. This is the eggs we are going to use in making this particular delicious Indomie. Now we adding our eggs, adding our carrot, adding our green pepper, our bell pepper rather, adding our green beans, adding onions, everything added here. Make sure say you mix them together so that nothing it will not pack go one side. It's why it not be that egg go one side, carrots go one side, tomatoes go one side, onions go one side. That would be a very big mess. So we are trying to mix every damn thing together. Okay, mix it to your satisfaction. Make sure that it's well mixed, the egg yolk and the egg, everything mixed together. Yeah. Yeah, we already add our this noodles spice, just a little we added there. All right, and we add this black pepper, grounded black pepper. All right, we have added it already. Then we mixed everything together. I'm still turning to make sure that is there. Now what else are you going to do? You put in your water. After your water boil, allow water to boil. This Indomie I'm putting, you can choose to break your Indomie into pieces. You can choose to put it like that. But me, I prefer putting like this. Okay, I prefer putting like this. Then after you put your noodles, do well to cover for some seconds. Then open it and turn the other Indomie off the other side. Just turn it in the pot. Yes, you have seen how I close the pot. Then you turn it. So this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Okay, so it is your first time to see this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You can check the description, you will see other recipe, how to cook any other things there. All right, yes, as you are seeing, the Indomie is already boiling. After this Indomie boil to our satisfaction, don't overcook your Indomie so that it will not turn to akam. Alright, so it will not turn to pap. When you feel that it has gone to the extent you want it, then you filter the water. You turn it in shifter to shifter the water. Then you set your pot on the fire, neither stove, gas, electric, firewood, anyone you are using. Just go in with your pot, then put your vegetable oil. All right, trust me, after you test these noodles, you will appreciate me and thank yourself for making it. If you are going to make these noodles, let me know on comment section. After making the noodles, screenshot it, snap the picture and put on the comment section. All right, now we are frying our onions, our tomatoes, our green beans, our carrots in low heat. Make sure you are doing all this thing I'm doing now in low heat to avoid getting burnt. We are not frying for a long time. This is just after less than 30 seconds to make the carrot to still be crunchy. After less than 30 seconds, we will add the Indomie and mix every damn thing together. What do you think? If you are finding this video helpful, if this video you are finding it interesting, do well to subscribe. The best thing that will happen to you is to know how to cook any kind of food, because when you cook by yourself, it will make you to eat healthy. All right, make sure you are frying this on low heat. All right, now we are still frying for some seconds. What are we going to do? We go in with our noodles, our cooked noodles. All right, and when you are putting the spices in this Indomie, in these two noodles, put only one spice. You can put in the 2 pepper, but put only one season on it. All right. There's one part is the ingredients. Just put only one shot. Don't put 2 of them because of what? You are not cooking with water. If you put 2 of them, you might dislike it. Now our food is getting ready and yummy. Food is ready like this. Now our second phase of it, we are going to fry our egg. As you can see, we have set our pot on low heat, put in vegetable oil and allow to heat for some seconds. All right, and remember, this egg, everything has been mixed already. All right, everything has been mixed already. Do this on low heat to avoid making your egg to get burned. On low heat, very, very important. Now our egg is getting set. Yes, I'm trying to open on that to make sure that, because if you are not careful, if you know how to do it, you might flip it wrongly. That's why I'm opening it edge by edge to make sure that it's not gumming there. Then after everything, be gently and flip it. Allow this one to get ready to dry, then flip. When you flip, this is what you're going to see. To avoid the egg to scatter out to pieces, it will still remain intact. What do you think about this? Do you find this video helpful? Let me know on comment section. All right, it's ready. Now what else is remaining? We are going to dish it our noodles. We're dishing out the noodles. Now, yummy. Tell me what you think about this. After this, we put our egg on top. Serve hot. Trust me, you will enjoy this. Try it. If you're going to try this, let me know on comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help you cooking channel.